Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, today's the big day we've been waiting for. The Senate finally comes back to work after their big weekend and their big break just a few days before. Now they're coming back for a whopping 4 days of hard work. Let's just hope they get something done. But with their track record, who knows? Now, we know they've got a lot to do this week. They got to work on that skinny bill. As we know, it will not be passed the way it is. But if they add a stimulus check into it, it would definitely be passed. So let's just hope they do that. I hope they do the right thing, but again, their track record. Okay, we know they're going to be picking apart Donald Trump's stimulus check idea. They're always picking apart people's ideas, but they're not doing anything on their own. That's why we have to vote them out of office. They also have the government budget to look into. Now, we know that they're going to be okay until the end of the year, so they don't have to spend all of their time on that. They can be working on stimulus stuff. And the biggest job that they got, and they do it all the time, and they do it very well. They got to try to look like they're actually doing something. Y'all, the House goes back to work in a week. Then maybe we can actually get a bill passed. Yesterday I told you that I will be sending letters to Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Nancy Pelosi. Please comment below and put in whatever it is you want to say to them, and it will be added to the letters. I will be sending these letters out Thursday, the 10th. I will copy your parts into the letters. And I'm telling you right now, I did copy this idea from Clear Value Tax. He does a wonderful job. You need to go check out his channel also. If you did not see my video yesterday on this, please go back and watch it. I will link it to the end of this video. Also, if you have kids 18 years or younger, Donald Trump and the USDA has made available until the end of the year the Food for Kids program. I have the information in the description below on how to contact them. You don't have to apply, you just contact them. They'll tell you where in your area to go pick up this food. This is the same program that they use for kids' meals during the summertime. Well, they've extended it to the end of the year. And no, it is not food stamps. It's not a handout. It's help. It's something that your tax money has paid for. So get it if you need it. There's no shame in it. Nancy Pelosi just yesterday said that President Trump and the Republicans refuse to see the scale of the crisis and refuse to lift a finger to help the American families. While that could be true, all depends on how you look at it. Isn't that calling the kettle black? With her not wanting to agree to anything until she gets her own way, just like a spoiled brat. Y'all remember, November, no matter what happens between now and then, we have to drain the swamp. Donald Trump said he was going to do it. He wasn't able to do it. He did get rid of a lot of the scum, but there's still a lot of scum up there that we need to get rid of. Y'all be sure and send me whatever it is you want me to add to those letters, and do it as soon as possible. The more people gets involved in this, the better off it would be. I've had some people commenting that they've sent letters and it went on deaf ears. Well, we have to keep trying. If we give up, they've won the battle. If we don't keep trying, we shouldn't complain. Y'all, please check out my other channel, How to Make Money Online. I've been doing it for over 11 years, and I want to show you how to do it. Remember, if you got your own online business, that's the best stimulus check in the world. I've got a video going live today at 9 a.m. and it's mind-blowing how much money you can make online, and I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm going to have a video over there every day. I want to help you make money online. Also, I have a course that I'm working on. It's going to be about a month before it's finished. Now, as you know, most people that sells their courses, they want $1,000 or more for them. That's ridiculous to ask that kind of money for something that you can make one time and sell over and over again. My course is just as good as theirs, and I don't lead you into buying another course like they do. I will tell you what you need to do to make money on your own, and my course is so cheap you won't believe the price that I'm going to put on it when it's available. It's not available yet. I want to get it done first, and like I said, it should be around the 1st of next month, so y'all keep your eyes open for that. I will give you a little hint. It's less than $50. It's less than $40. So, and you get a bunch of freebies in it. Y'all, we will get out of this with our heads held high. We will be better for it at the end. And y'all, please, I told you about the guy with stage 3 cancer yesterday that's asked for prayers. Please don't forget him in your prayers. Pray for him every day that God will give him a 100% healing, like he did me with my stage 4 cancer. And he also did it with my wife with her terrible heart attack. The doctor told me that she was going to pass away that day. She's home doing perfect right now. Goes to show you who's the best doctor in the world. Jesus Christ. I want to thank you all again for all your prayers during that time. It was the hardest time of my life. I wouldn't have made it without y'all. And please, share these videos out. Come back every day at 6 a.m. I'm not sure if I'll have another video here today. All depends on if anything major happens. But do check out the video over on my other website at 9 a.m. this morning. Also check out my books. They're linked below. And just know I love you all, and we will get out of this with our heads held high. Just trust in Jesus that he will get us through it. I love you all. Ciao.